Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase all data on a Windows laptop. So this is going to reset it back to a clean state. So first, simply open settings by pressing Windows plus I at the same time. From here, you can then go to System, then navigate to Recovery. Okay, so next you can then click Reset this PC, then choose Remove Everything. So this option literally deletes all files, apps and settings from your laptop. After that, you can then pick whether you want to install Windows using cloud download or local reinstall. Then simply confirm and continue. So Windows will then restart and begin wiping all data from your laptop. So once it's finished, you'll then be taken to the setup screen like it's a brand new device. And that's it. So all your data will be completely erased from your Windows laptop. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.